Hello traders, this is Marek from Trading Academy. Again, I wish you a good day, good trading day, and in today's stream we will look at hot stocks we picked for today. We would like to trade and to be ready, enjoy our ride. We will trade the best opportunities we select for you and for us. Just fast introduction, who we are. We are a team of professional traders. We trade cryptocurrency, stocks, futures, and forex. And me myself, I've been trading mainly futures for 2 years now. I'm trading also cryptocurrencies, forex, and stocks. And what we offering for free for people our valuable content, our trades with real scenarios, with real money, and real time with real breakdowns of the situations and picking up as in the stream the best situation you can trade. Also, we put on our social media channels, let's say our weekly results. You have an idea how we are performing, and also we doing a webinars for you, interactive webinars where you can ask any question you want, and we are happy to answer your question there. We are going through our system. We show you our patterns. We are trading and also their nuances. So really interesting information for free for you and everybody who is interested more in our trading, more about professional kind of stuff, more advanced, please go to our webinar, smash the link below the stream, and after filling the form, you will be invited to our webinar, and I will be happy to see you there. Okay, also, you can ask any question during the stream. Please do it, and I will be happy to answer you there. And also, you can ask about certain stocks. Maybe we will have time to look at this stock. So I believe this is all for fast introduction, and let's go directly to our markets. So just fast introduction. Let's look at S&P 500. I will change the time frame because I was searching the situation on our stock markets from intraday levels. But if you look at S&P 500, I will look at daily time frame. You will see what the situation on the markets is at the moment. In the moment, we broke previous all-time high, and the stock index is accepting the price above this resistance, support resistance level in the moment, and we are waiting what will happen in the moment. There are two possibilities because of now, let's say because of the politics of Trump. Also, we've seen some lowering tension between South Korea and US. Also, interesting information about interest rates from a perspective of central banks, Fed and ECB. Uh, the high probabilities in the end are that we will go up, but still we have this gap. We opened this week with this gap, as you see here, and definitely it can happen that market will try to fill this gap as it happened before, as you see here. So for me, for today, I will be trading Nasdaq, and in that case, I'm ready to trade this gap in line with S&P 500. So this is just fast introduction about the stock indexes. I will look at question if there is, and there is no question. So let's go to our stocks we select for you. Be prepared because today it's a very interesting day, and I will be happy if you will trade with us. So at first, I would like to start with EA, Electronic Arts. And the moment we had a good catalyst. In the moment EA is performing well, and also their rates were increased. Let's look at this. And BMAO maintains an outperform rating on Electronic Arts and raises the target from $116 to 130. So in the moment, this stock can go even further. We have seen this important level which is now going to be broken or is broken already. So definitely nice, interesting stock to play today. And if there will be a good volume at the beginning, after opening, then we would like to go long for sure. This is our main scenario for EA. Also, I will look at another stock. Today we had earnings for Jefferies Financial Group. I will just show you just a second. Let's look at the earnings. And the moment I will refresh it. The moment we are anticipating earnings for GFE, we didn't pick other stocks into our play because low capitalization. But in case of GEF, we would like to trade it, and let's look from daily perspective. In the moment, we've seen this important support level the moment, and we would like to see direction here. If there will be good catalyst, let's say earnings which are above expectation, maybe if we are able to trade it that way. Also, we've seen nice price action pattern here. You can see the circle bottom. I like this trade, a bigger volume. So really interesting information for us, and seems like that the stock is able to broke it in the moment, but we need to wait also for confirmation. If you also look from a trend line perspective, it's not much visible in the moment, but definitely we would like to see also this reaction here, and if stock is able to hold above this level, really interesting scenario for longing. If there will be disappointing earnings, we are ready to trade intraday levels. Let's look at M15, and you see that just a moment, or let's look at 1 hour. It will be better, it will be more visible what I'm talking about with some preparation. So you see this important support level, and we also have this swing structure in the moment. So also we can speculate on this gap, and filling this gap, we'll see what will happen in the end. But definitely nice information for us, the levels which we would like to see the reaction here or here. So for us, if somebody is asking about scenarios, we are able to short it from this level, of course. It will be opening drive play, or if stock is a more conservative traders could short the stock from level below 19.30, or if there will be break, we can go short, of course, but we'll see what will happen. From long-term perspective, it looks like more about the stock that the stock is about break the resistance level. I'm just checking your question. We have still We have still 7 minutes before open, so I'm ready to and happy to answer any question you want. This is why I'm here for you in a moment, so you can use my time for that. Okay, another stock I would like to trade, and it's really also nice to trade for today. It's Ford. We've seen a really nice catalyst in the moment, and let's look at the catalyst. Um, Forward is up 1% per market on light volume on the heels of its agreement with Catalan biologics unit Paragon Gene Therapy to provide clinical manufacturing services for multiple preclinical lysosomal disorder programs, including POM disease. So Pompe disease. In the moment, it's really interesting information to trade. It's actually good catalyst. We have this important support level in the moment, and we believe that we could trade in line with longing. Let's look at this from M15, and you see that we have also this intraday interesting levels in the moment. So if stock is able to broke this level, we can go long, of course. This will be our main scenario. We have also interesting information about volume here. So definitely nice stock to check today and be ready to trade it. Really interesting for us. Other stock I would like to talk about is KKR. The moment we've seen also Science, like good catalyst, Science Application International Corporation to repurchase 100 million of common stock from funds managed by affiliates of KKR. So it means $85 point 58 per share. We will see what will happen in the moment, but again, let's look at the levels. Let's look at it from daily perspective. What I'm talking about, stock is, let's say, is broke this important resistance level in the moment, accepting the price above, which is really nice, interesting scenario for longing. And in that case, we are waiting for intraday levels to open the trade. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. And as mentioned, if stock is able to hold per market, uh, or let's say this, not just per market, but this swing, if we will break it, definitely nice scenario for longing in the moment. So also interesting stock to play for today. Maybe maybe one of last stock I would like to share with you is US Bancorp. Bancorp in the moment, from the perspective, look at it. Uh, we are in front of important resistance level, as you can see. The moment we've seen some reaction here, and this is also, let's say, more wide support range in the moment, so we can count on that. In the moment, or we what we've seen really nice news. Let's look at this. Raymond James analyst David Long figures that US Bancorp buying regional financials, the symbol is RF, would boost USB profitability and create a formidable competitor in Southeast, he writes in a note. So meaning that in case of this good catalyst, good note from Raymond James, it would be really nice opportunity to check the stock and be prepared for longing. We are in general uptrend, you see here, and what we what I, the thing what is missing is just breaking this important support level, and we can go in line with scenario. Let's look from M15. What I would like to see today, and again, if we will break this important level here, definitely nice day trade. So check these stocks I just shared with you and be prepared for trading. I will check your question if there is. Perfect. No questions so far. Last stock I would like to share with you, it's Tesla, because as mentioned in some of our previous videos, I am a big fan of Tesla, of course. And let's look from daily perspective. From daily perspective, Tesla is just rebounding from this level, going with this pullback, and we hit very important key resistance level in the moment. Now I think this the Tesla uh, is heading to really, let's say, important and tough level in case of breakout. So in the moment, I would be careful for longing, of course, but we had some catalyst there. So let's share the catalyst with you. And I would like to share with you a few news, like it was also mentioned several times. Tesla European chief reportedly leaves company, like YVO, WVO. It's very like interesting news because also in the past we've seen also leaving some chief in case of automotive production. Tesla in the moment is also have some good also news. The installation of production facilities in Shanghai factory has started. It was written in Global Times. So and the factory capacity is 3,000 vehicles per week. Uh, it's interesting information to let's say opposite news in the moment. We will see how stock market will react on that in the moment. Let's look from daily time frame. Stock, this stock is in this kind of channel. I see this trend line. Let's look at it just by eye. So we are in this kind of channel hitting really important resistance in the moment. What we would like to see is just breaking this level. For me, it's very important. So we can trade it from intraday perspective. Let's look at this M5, M5. And the moment also for today we have important resistance. If stock is able to break it with volume, then shorting again. I would be really careful in case of longing scenarios in the moment. And for me, they are not good catalyst in the moment for Tesla to break the level. But definitely, the stock market can mm, always surprise you. So in that case, we are ready to trade as on long in case of breaking this important resistance level. As mentioned here, it's very tough level here. So definitely wait for that, wait for the volume, wait for pullback, and go in line with our pattern, and you will be safe money-wise. So I think this is all for today. Thank you again for watching. I am just checking your question about our stream. Okay, there is not, so just storing the charts. And in that case, I would like to say hello and also invite you to our webinar uh, about stocks. It will be next week. For today, we have webinar about cryptocurrencies and how we use techniques of capitalizations between Bitcoin and altcoin. Very interesting information for you if you would like to be more aware how we are selecting entries in regards of both markets, altcoins, capitalization, about the dynamics, divergence between the both markets, and what smart money usually do and how to spot their flow. Really interesting webinar for you. Also, if you are interested in our techniques of trading on day trade levels and scalping, also swing levels, definitely smash the link below the stream, and after filling the form you will be invited to our webinar, which is more in detail, and we can go through our system patterns and how we are timing the trades with real examples, really interesting information for you for free. Also, if you like this content, please hit the like button there and share it with anybody who is interested in trading. Also, one thing, again, we upload regularly really valuable content to our social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. You can find really interesting information there, weekly results, real trades breakdown, real money trades, of course, and also important articles about different kind of trading styles with trading system with indicators. Also articles about you know, economic information, economic insight from our point of view, and many more. So definitely go there and check it. This is just for free, and I believe this is not waste of time in this case. So I believe this is all for today. Again, thank you for watching. And if you had any question after the stream, put your question below in the stream, below this video, the stream, and we will be happy to answer a question as soon as possible. So thank you again for watching. Markets are opening, and let's start trading.